So to get started on Mac, I just made a new folder called CSS Practice on my desktop. Okay, and then I'm going to open up a thing called TextEdit. All right, and I'm going to make a new document. Okay, and the important thing is I'm going to go up to here and I'm going to save. And the important thing here, you may have to check some boxes, but it should say something like this. And so I do index.html. If it doesn't look like this, there's another way to, there's another thing that you might need to do. So I'm going to put it in my folder I just made, and it's HTML. So it's not .txt, it's .html. Okay, if you do that, and then you do HTML, P, or let me do an H1. H1, hello, it's H1, HTML. I'm going to save that. And now, over here in that, over here, you see? It's right there. I'm going to double click on that. And that actually opened this up. So it's over here. It says hello. So over on one side, it's going to be like this. And over on this side, it's going to be like this. And then maybe this will go down here. Okay, put this down here. Just like that. And then I can say P, cats are cute, P. And I save that, file, save, or command save. And then I reload that, and then it says cats are cute. So that's how I do it. So does that help? Sometimes you have to go to settings, and for under open and save, you gotta make sure that this is not checked. Display HTML files as HTML code instead of formatting text when opening a file. Hang on, one of these. You have to either check or uncheck one of them. And I have it unchecked, so there's something. If there's sometimes when it actually opens the wrong way. So if I close it and I double click on it, oops, it opens in Chrome, right? But how do I open it in text? Right? How to open it in text? I gotta right click there, or two finger click, and then open. I have a whole bunch, but let me find it. Open in TextEdit. Open over there. All right, so here's the issue. Yeah, that's the issue here. So you see how it opens like this and not my HTML? I have another setting I have to do. I'm going to go to settings and display HTML files as HTML code instead of formatted text. I'm going to click that. That's what I want. Okay, once you do that, you should be good. So it's under settings, under open and save, that. Okay. You may also need to instead of rich text, you need to click on plain text, and this may also work too. So those two settings, under new document, make sure it's plain text. Under open and save, be sure you display HTML files as HTML code instead of formatted text. So we want the HTML code. We don't want the formatted text. So I'm going to close that, Close that, and now when I open it, open with, I'm going to open it TextEdit, and now it opens as HTML, and now I can work on it, right? Cats are cute, so are dogs. And I do Command S to save, go over here to reload, and then it's kind of like Glitch. You have something on the right and something on the left here, and I have my files down here. So if I do an unsplash, I can get my unsplash. Maybe I'm gonna get like a mirror here or something, and I'm gonna do download for free, download the small one. I can pull it in and name it room 1, and I can just use images here, room1.gpg. Save it, go here, reload. Oh, room 1, that would be it. Room 1, save it, reload. Here it is. And of course I need an alt. Equals a picture of a room. Save it and reload. Okay. Let me stop the recording here.